So welcoming you back. So we've been poking on you a lot, and I'm sorry for that, but I'm just doing my job, because if you are feeling a little bit of an upset talking about things like this, you know stuff is in you, anger is in you, hatred is in you, dislike is in you. If you can be triggered, that means all these negative things are in you. It's conditioned. It's okay, but we can come out of it. And in this video, we will discuss that what are the prerequisites to make this transformation, that you can actually start using your mind the way what you want it. Now, the very first thing is that you need to admit that yes, you are conditioned. Second is that you are ready to change and you're ready to do whatever it takes to retrain your mind. Because conditioning took time. It took time until you learned this behavior pattern, and now it will also take time to retrain it, and it will take daily practice. Now, you know that if you are not ready to make all the work, a little bit of a sweat, right, of a hard work, of working on your mind, that you are not ready yet. So the prerequisite to get going on this course is to make the 100% commitment right now that you are going to work on retraining your mind, and you will do whatever it takes of a practice to make that happen. Now remember, to the percentage of what you are going to be practicing, the retraining, that is the percentage you will get the result as well. So it doesn't matter what you are committed to, commit yourself, that you make a decision that you will work on yourself, and this is for life. So this is the prerequisite, so you will be able to use your mind exactly the way you want it and work very focusedly, very targetedly. I call this normally is the sniper shot technique, that you know exactly what you want to do and you are going to do that exactly without any other hesitations. Thank you.